Alright, this is how to check the pH and chlorine with our test kit. So you just take RO4 for pH, you do 5 drops into the big cylinder. And I already filled it with water. And then for chlorine, while that sits, just do 5 drops of RO1. Into the small cylinder, then you take RO2 and do 5 drops into the small cylinder. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you put the cap on, and then you give it a good shake. And from there, you can read it, and that's about 7.5 for the pH, and that chlorine's about a 4. And over here, that's the fill line for the pH, and the fill line is like, it's hard to pick up on camera, but the chlorine. And then you just come over here, you record it as chlorine's right here, so it's at I got a 4. So this was yesterday, but record it as a 4, and then for the second number, what we're gonna do, I pop that off. This is for total chlorine. You take RO3, add 5 more drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you shake it again. Now 9 times out of 10, the color does not change. So you would record it, and it did not change, as a 4 again. So, and then when it says 0, that means you take the first and then you subtract it and you get 0. And you can see it's always been 0. And then pH is a 7.5. So then you write pH in the bottom corner. And there's a little cheat sheet on the side too. So total chlorine, free chlorine, subtract them to get 0. And then the OP just as your initials, and then what time it is. But yeah, then when you come over here, I've circled everything that we make the guards right. So the temperature, which is on the heater, and then the clarity, it's clear. You don't have to do alkalinity. Cyanuric acid and calcium is what the maintenance checks. ORP is just on the screen. It's just a fancy word for chlorine, basically. And then the flow meters, which I showed you, and then the pressure vac is the filters. Yeah, that's about it.